Yo, what's going on, guys? ZX-10 Griff here, and today we're going to be installing some crash protection parts sent out by T-Rex Racing, guys. They're awesome people to deal with, located here locally in the DFW. Everyone up there, super fast, super friendly. You guys go check them out. Tell them ZX-10 Griff sent you guys. Let's get down to the nitty gritty. We're going to be installing frame sliders. They're pretty cool because, yeah, you may not be able to see it, but it has 10R. As you know, I have the ZX-10R. I'm going to skip out on doing the radiator guards today just because a little bit limited on time. Clutch case cover, rear spools. Also have the engine case guards, front and rear axle sliders. So today we're going to be doing the install. This is a little bit of the before look. Don't worry, I know the bike is dirty. We may be washing it today, maybe not. I took apart a few bolts over here, but nonetheless, shouldn't be too crazy, too complicated install. So let's get to it, guys. We'll be back. Explanatory, guys, just with those. Make sure we put some blue Loctite. I don't have any red, so we're gonna use the blue for now. And install those bad boys on. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Then once I get those on, go ahead and lift her on up. Get her on the rear spool or rear stand. And we shall start working on the other things. But T-Rex Racing, they're local here in the DFW. I'll try to link their description, their website in the description, and also just plug in their name. Just look them up, guys. They're right here locally in DFW. I'm all for supporting here local to where I'm at. So we're gonna just go ahead, thread these in. Pretty self-explanatory for these, I believe. Like these, they're pretty beefy. Looks like. I may be fast forwarding through this video whenever I edit it. Okay, here she blows. All right. Work, because usually I ride to work, but just quick little something. I'm gonna get this done. I'm gonna skip through this installation and I'll do a final product. I'll let it play a little bit while I'm doing some of this, but I'll let it play here after I get her on. Yeah, I got it on basically, but I'm gonna give her some Loctite. Give her some Loctite, and then Get her tightened in. I'm sweating. I was not prepared for today. I wasn't, but needless to say, we're gonna get it done. Work with what we have. All right, a little bit on here. And I gotta do the one in the corner because I just used that as a guide. So we'll be able to put these bad boys in. But so far, I'm pretty impressed with these parts. I like them. All right. Left hand on this one. And get it going. And I'm gonna give her 5 Newton. I think it's 5 foot-pound torque spec. We give her a little ugga dugga. Got it on 5. So, up. Size is this. This is 6. I need a 5. I need a 5. Need a 5. Oh, mosquitoes tearing me up, boy. All right. All right. Hello in. All right, guys. On to the sprocket cover. Let's see what she says. Because I know how to take her off, but I just want to make sure I'm putting the right hardware on, so on, so on. All right. There we go. Hopefully this video come out okay. If not, going to be devastated, guys. All right. All right, put these right here, because I'm assuming those would be bolts that I use. All right. Let's see what this bad boy say. Move all both circle locations. 5 foot-pounds of torque. Okay, sounds reasonable enough. I'm gonna sit you right there. All right. I'm gonna take these bad boys off, which I had already started doing so before I realized it's because of the heat. The heat out here is so hot, my camera is overheating. Now, I don't know if this new sprocket cover is gonna call for me to keep that chain guide in there. I would assume so. So I'm just gonna leave chain guide on there and try to see if I can get it sorted out with it on. Damn. Remember, guys, keep your stock hardware because you never know what happens. I mean, worst case scenario, you go down, you have to replace stuff. At least you have your stock bolts to go back into. But it's the new one. Looks so good. Looks real good, guys. All right, I'm gonna try to get her on with, let's see what we got here. All right, we'll try it with. So we're gonna do top to top. And then we're gonna come back and do other ones like so. Didn't come with a spacer, so I just imagine that it's going to be going on like so. Not too big. It's a 5, I believe. It's a 6. I don't know where I put my 5 for that one. Set it down somewhere. Unfortunately so. Shoot. Give me a moment, guys. All right. All right, so once I get all these lined up in place, I'm going to start removing and taking out and putting Loctite on the ones that I'm putting in. And should be good. Should be good. Oh, this is a different size. These are different size. It's a 6 on E, right? It was a 4. Wow. Okay. All right. Take this bad boy out. I need a 4, so I need this one. All right. After this, the last one I have is the engine case cover on the right side. And I'm thinking I'm fine leaving the guide on. I think it's supposed to be in place. I'll go take it for a ride, maybe later on. See what I get from it. Where I put that bad boy at? All right. That way you can see that vortex sprocket. All right, good to go. All right, good to go. Good to go. Oh, if she want to give it back to me. All right. Okay, so now we need to make sure I have the right size for those. We're almost in the home stretch, then I can clean up and phone is blowing up. What's going on? This is a 4. This is a 5. Okay, 5 it is. So what's this? This is 8. All right, I think we got it done, guys. Alrighty. Whew, that was some work. Wasn't hard, it's just I was making it hard on myself. Got the axle sliders, frame sliders, engine case cover, rear spools, rear axle sliders, case cover and sprocket cover, frame slider, axle slider, rear spool. Let's go ahead and get her started up, guys. Okay guys, again, shout out to T-Rex Racing over in DFW, Dallas if you must say. I will leave a link in the description of this video so you guys go ahead and check them out. They have all kind of parts, protection parts for your bikes, different makes, different models. You can go ahead and check them out, or you can give them a call, email them, whichever you choose. Just let them know ZX-10 Griff sent you, and they'll make sure they take care of you. Other than that, I'll see you guys next time for another install. Peace.